Good morning friends, I am Amish Sharma and today I am coming from new topic method or function in Java. So first, what is a method? A method is a collection of statements that perform some specific task and return the result to the caller. A method can perform some specific task without returning anything. Methods allow us to reuse the code without retyping the code. In Java, every method must be part of some classes, which is different from C, C++, and Python. Methods are time savers to help us to reuse the code without retyping the code. Now, syntax of the method declaration. Now, first one is access specifier, modifier, return type, method name, and parameter list, and then method body. For example, public static int max, int x, int y, and opening curly braces method body. If x is greater than y, then return x, else return y. So this is called a modifier. This is called a modifier, return type modifier, or access specifier. Access specifier, return type. This is called a method name. This is called a method name, and this is called a parameter list. In this method, passing two parameter list, and both are type is int x and int y, and this is also called a formal parameter. This is also called a formal parameter. There are two types of parameter. One is formal parameter and one is actual parameter. So this is called a formal parameter, and this is called a method body. This is called a method body. Okay guys, once more, declaration of method. First is access specifier, modifier, return type, method name, and parameter list. Parameter list has a basically one of more types with default parameters. If there is no any argument passing the method is called a default parameter list. Passing one parameter list, passing 2, 3 or more. And then method body. For example, public static int max, int x, int y. In this method, this is called a public is a access specifier. There are three access specifier: public, private, and protected. Static is a modifier, int is a return type, max is a method name, and there are two passing parameter list, int x and int y, and this is called a method body. This is called a method body. In this case, if x is greater than y, then return x and control exit from the method. Otherwise, returning y and control exit from the method. Now, method declaration has a 6 component. One is modifier, return type, method name, parameter list, method body, and method signature. Once new topic, method signature. What is a method signature? In a method signature is a consist of the method name and parameter number and parameter, but no any returning type. This is called a method signature. For example, max, int x and int y. This is called a method signature. This is called a method signature. Method name and passing parameter list, but there is no any returning type. If any method there is no returning type, then this is called a method